This is how conversations go in my house. We're getting ready to go back to school. Where's your calculator? I left it at school. You left it at school in May? Yes. Okay, here we go. I picked up this Texas Instruments TI-34. It is the MultiView scientific calculator. We've used this one for the last 2 years, and this is the calculator for math and science for our school. It is definitely the right balance between user-friendly and then advanced. It has the 4-line display, which is really nice. It has the math feature, and it is literally like a little mini graphing calculator, but perfect. So why we rebought this one that she lost, the easy to read display, the 4 lines of the text, which is nice. It has fraction and equation capabilities, which is perfect. And it also does the square roots, which is really nice. Perfect. It is durable, and it has the cover, the impact-resistant cover when we just pop it on there. And this stays put on her desk. It doesn't move, which is really nice. This one is a perfect fit for middle schoolers through algebra and geometry. It's going to be advanced enough to handle complex problems while still being approachable for the littles. So they're still learning how to use a calculator. This one is still learnable without being overwhelming, which is nice. This is one of those school supplies that are going to last and stay useful for many years, as long as she doesn't lose it. Highly recommend.